Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube video all about Fiverr storyboard services, where you can find talented artists ready to transform your concept into stunning visual narrative. So to get started with this service on Fiverr, simply head on over to Storyboards Fiverr and click on this site over here, Professional Storyboard Service. And for the people that there is first time hear about Fiverr, it's an online marketplace where freelancers offer various services including graphic design and illustration. So this is the homepage of the websites where you can find all the key features and their services that you're looking for, and also how to create an account from here. I already show you how to create an account on Fiverr. You need just to come back to the last videos on my channel to see how. So here you will find all the settings about your account, the profile, or how to post a request or refer a friend, or how to become a seller, and the setting, that means the password, the name of the user, the photo of the profile, and more, and also the billing and the payments information. And if you want to change the language or the currency that you work with, or how to log out from your account. So here you will find how to filter the results that you find on Fiverr about the storyboards. If you want to filter them by the service options, over here you find the animation. This is how many results that you have on the filter over here: the animation, presentation, live action video, books, or about the service includes, and about the seller details, the top rated seller, the level 1, level 2, or the new seller. Of course, the price here is very different. Like example, the new seller will find a price very cheap than the top rated seller. And also the seller speak. Do you want the seller speak English, Urdu, Spanish, Hindi? And also the seller lives in. You have this filter here about the localization, or here if you want to seller live in local seller, or online seller, or a pro services. And for the budget, that means the price, the minimum to the maximum, from 0 until whatever you want from the price, and the delivery time. You have express, that mean 24 hours, up to 3 days, up to 7 days, or anytime. And after you choose the filter that you want, you need just to click on apply. And also this once here, do you want sellers be just online or a local one, that mean in your area or your country or city, or a pro services. So now this is the results for the storyboards. Like you see here, we have 959 services available. And if you didn't find something here that you have it specific in your head, you need just to write it on the search board here about the color, the designer, the seller, or anything else. So now, like example, if we see all these gigs here, let's suppose that we want to buy this one here. Okay, we have the name of the designer here, or the freelancer, and what he or how he presents his gig. He said that I will be your professional storyboard artist for 4 frames. And for the stars about the gig, we have here 4.9 stars, and how this is how many people are by this gig, 823, and it's from $10. If we, like example, want to add this gig as a favor to come back to it later, you need just to click on this heart here, and after that you will find it over here in your list. Okay, let's come back to it. Let's suppose that we want to buy it. We need just to click on it, and this is here all the information that you need to know about the gig before you buy it, and also some others designs for the same designer, that mean Usman A. Now after you choose the perfect one for you, you need just to read the following information about the gig. Now we have over 1,000 storyboards that I'm Hira Archad. Welcome to my storyboards gig and blah blah blah. Okay, and the first thing that you need to do to buy the gig is that to choose the plan. Okay, we have 3 plans: basic, standard, premium, with different prices from $10 until $16 or $60. Okay, for the basic with $10 you have 4 frames in basic, line drawing and fine details with animated revisions. You have 3 days delivery and animated revision. You have add background scene. If you choose the standard, you have this one is added for the standard. It will be $15. 4 frame in good details and color with animated revision. 4-day delivery and animated revision. You have add background scene and include colors in illustration. For the plan, the premium, you have $60. Okay, it's called Supreme. You have 20 frames in base details, shading, highlights, and color with animated revision. You have 5 days delivery and animated revision. You have add background scene, include colors and illustration. Now let's suppose that you choose the basic one. After that, you need to click on continue and choose how many quantity from the gig that you want. And if you want to add a service from this to here, you will, if you example you want to add the extra fast 2 days delivery, you will add $10 to the total. And if you want to include colors in illustration plus 2 days, you will add $10. And you will find the total over here. You need just to click on continue. Now after you read if all this is information are correct, that this is that what you want, you will find the total over here that you will pay. And after that, you need just to choose the payment method. Do you want to pay with the credit and debit card or by PayPal? If you want to pay with the credit and debit card, you need to enter your card number. It's contained in 16 numbers. You will find it in front of the card. The expiration dates, the month, the year, security code, that means the CVC code or the CVV code. You will find this behind the card, the last 3 numbers, and the first name and the last name, and they should be the legal name like it's written on the card. And after that, you need just to click on confirm and pay to buy the gig successfully. Now this will be the end of our video today. I hope you get understand. If you like the video, please subscribe for more and follow me to see more videos like this. So like usual, my guys, let me say you bye bye to the next time and next websites.